Hi. I would like to give you a brief listening training routine. That's what I used to do, and I think I got pretty good score on listening. Listening. So what I do is just do one whole section of listening, of course under the time limit and as formal as possible, and check the after that I check the answer and explanations and listen to it again, like listen to the of course the soundtrack again, and check all the explanations. As similar to my reading routine, checking all the explanations sometimes have a benefits that you could you could find they have some tricks. They have some very common common way to indicate that is the right answer and or that is the wrong answer. So sometimes there's some buzzword in the TOEFL exam on listenings that will be make you um, very good listeners, and and uh, and then this is very important. At least I find it's very helpful. Is to speed up the soundtrack, and maybe you can start with like 20%, like increase by 20%. Like if you feel okay, like let's increase even further, then just increase until you reach the limit. Sometimes I just go nuts and just increase by 150%, and the person's the sound already distorted. Uh, but this will be very beneficial because after you listening increase it to your absolute limit to the speed, and you listen back to the normal speed, you feels like that person is speaking like a grandpa. So it's very slow. So I don't know if it makes sense. It actually will increase your your ear to catching the information as fast as possible. So increase the speed limit. Increase the speed of the soundtrack is a very important step for my listening routine. And of course, after all that, look back to the question again.